Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Treemap chart in Excel. Treemap charts are perfect for visualizing hierarchical data and proportions. They are especially useful for comparing categories with a dataset. Let's dive right in and learn how to create one with an example of top 10 countries by population. Here's the example dataset we will be using. Highlight all the data including the headers. Once the data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Hierarchy Charts option in the Chart section. Click on Treemap Chart. After the Treemap chart is inserted, you will notice that Excel automatically groups the data by country and the individual blocks represents the countries. Click on the chart to customize it. Chart title, double-click the title to rename it as Top 10 Countries by Population. Labels, ensure data labels like population or country names are displayed. Right-click on the chart, select Format Data Labels and customize them to show both categories and values. Adjust the colors to make it visually appealing. Analyzing the Treemap chart. The size of each block represents the population size of the corresponding country. Blocks are grouped by country, making it easy to compare population distributions. For instance, you will see that countries like India, China, and Indonesia are dominating, whereas smaller blocks like the United States and Mexico represent lesser population. If you want to share your Treemap chart with your team, right-click on the chart and select Save as Picture to save it as an image. You can also copy and paste it directly into a PowerPoint presentation or Word document. And there you have it. Creating a Treemap chart in Excel is super simple and incredibly effective for visualizing hierarchical data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.